If you need to create a revision on an existing estimate, which was produced by your head office, you need to go onto Symbility via mobile claims, which is the local application that was downloaded onto your computer. Use your username and your password, log in. Once you've logged in, you will have a list of claims, open claims currently allocated to you. To synchronize this list with the cloud, simply click on Synchronize. After you have synchronized, locate the claim you need to change the estimate on, select it and say Acquire Ownership and synchronize. Once you've acquired ownership, you will see a little hand underneath the yellow folder, which means you've got ownership and you can now access the claim. Once in the claim, go to your estimate and you can now change the current estimate or add to this estimate. To create a revision, right-click on your estimate and say Create Revision. You will now notice a revision estimate which contains exactly the same as the original estimate. The only difference is the revision is in a status in progress, where the original estimate status is in approved. Any status in approved status or completed status is locked and you cannot change anything in these estimates. Therefore, you have to create a revision in a status in progress where you can change measurements, quantities, and so forth. Should you need to add something completely new to this estimate, you need to do that under your floor plan. And access your pricing database items. You may notice that you don't have the flooring pricing database available to you, but something else, maybe the insurance company's pricing database, the electrical pricing database. So you need to change this database to the flooring pricing database. To do this, click on your revision you just created. Go to Totals page here at the bottom, Totals page layout, and then your pricing. Select the current pricing used and change it to the Digicor flooring pricing, the latest version. OK, OK. And then back to your floor plan. You will now notice that your flooring pricing database is available with all the relevant carpets, carpet tiles, subcategories available. By simply selecting something from your pricing database, add it to your diagram, and it will automatically be added to your revision estimate that you've created there. I'm just going to add a line item here for demonstration purposes. Let's say we want to add another profile. Just follow the prompts. You can modify this diagram. You cannot modify this diagram or drag items to this diagram because you don't have ownership of the diagram. You need to either take ownership of the diagram or create a copy of the diagram. Always say acquire ownership if you want to add something to the existing floor plan. After you've acquired ownership, go back to your floor plan and reapply the item you want to add. There you can see the item was just added to the estimate. On the estimate, you will see quantity changed to 3 and the A appeared in front of the line item that you've changed.